Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARQL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past. I don't remember when, to be honest, but that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And, kind of in a nutshell, yesterday on Monday was the start of, what we, in the world of charts, we would call a technical pattern breakout, the pattern being the sideways channel here, but the price got above that upper portion, stayed above it, and then today got continuation with the gap and run. So overall, that's kind of the bigger picture context, and that also brings about the first update that needs to be done, and that is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 585, now one of the newest areas of overall support. Now in the nearer term, or what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay above this breakout point right there at $6.50. However, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $6.50, by no means am I saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50 period at simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or anything like that, other than the fact is the party stopped today up there at 675, so that'll be public enemy number one going into Wednesday on. Although any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume, and as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, that's what you want to see from the grand scheme of it all. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.